Painting the sides or edges of your canvas is an important element that completes your painting. Today I will demonstrate how to paint perfect canvas edges. And these are the supplies we'll be using today. And I begin using the painter's tape and I line it up on the very edge of the canvas. And do be mindful as you line up the next piece of tape, you do want it to match perfectly. So do take your time. And this technique works really well not only on your original paintings, but also on your canvas prints. And you may be wondering why I am painting over this navy blue color. And it's because I changed my mind. I did not care for the navy blue, and I have decided to paint it in a satin black. There are several types of spray paint that work perfectly for this process, and I will share two of them with you in just a minute. This process works very well painting over sides that have previously been painted in acrylic, or the bare canvas sides, or the sides of a canvas print. The first paint that I'm showing you today is the one that I use in my demonstration, and the second one works very well too. Both are a satin black finish, and they guarantee no drips and no runs. When spraying the canvas edges, spray at an angle tilted down. What's great about this spray paint is it leaves no brush marks and it dries very, very fast in under 30 minutes. And I find that I only need one coat. What do you think? I think it looks really beautiful. Leave a comment below if you think you might try this technique. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you back here really soon.